welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Ever wonder how you would factory reset your entire computer, but just don't have an ISO file, or you don't have the Windows 10 software to do so? Believe it or not, there's actually an easier way on doing that, and it's in the settings option actually. So let's get to it. So first we're going to want to find the Start menu and then click on Settings. From here we will make this bigger, and from here we will find the Update and Security. From here you'll get this little menu, Windows Update. But we're going to want to find Recovery, which is on the left hand side here in the left hand menu. And from here you'll get two options, either reset this PC or advanced setup. We do not want this one. We do not want advanced setup. I repeat, we do not want advanced setup. We want reset this PC. So we will click Get Started. And from here, we'll have two options. Whether we want to keep our personal files that we have on our computer, and it'll just reinstall all of Windows for us. And it'll remove the apps, the settings, you'll just go back to factory reset. But you'll keep all your files. Or we can remove everything, wipe it completely, and just start from scratch, is brand new. For demonstration of this video, I'll just hit remove everything. And then here it'll tell you, it'll remove your files. If you accidentally click that, then you can obviously hit change settings again. Or I'll hit next. And basically, it'll just go through the entire process again. Hit reset. This may take a couple of minutes. If you want to remove everything as well, that'd be ideal for like if you're trying to sell your computer, or you know what, even giving it to your younger brother or sister or another family member, then you can just remove everything after you've taken all your important information off of there. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Don't forget to keep teching on.